You changed a life right before my eyes. You took a doubter and you made them come alive. They used to run, used to hide, now they're standing in the light. I saw your kindness, I saw your power in their eyes. Let your glory reign. Only you are worthy of the honor, glory, praise. Let your glory reign. Let your glory reign. Lord, I praise you. Praise your holy name again and again. Let your glory reign. I remember when I fought you, every answer I denied. I was asking every question till your mercy met my pride. Now I'm seeing what your love can really change. Once a heart that never trusted, now a heart that bears your name. Let your glory reign. Only you are worthy of the honor, glory, praise. Let your glory reign. Let your glory reign. Lord, I praise you. Praise your holy name again and again. Let your glory reign. I'm not a teacher, I'm not a preacher, but I pray they see you in me. Every word I'm speaking, every step I'm taking. Let it be your love they see. You stole their heart like you did mine. Do it over and over in our time. Let your again and again. Let your glory reign.